Hello everyone, I am Ardhijak from RS Kalaria Primary School. I will teach you environment studies. That's the number 10, day and nights and season. Let's start with lesson number 10. Every day we see the sun rising and setting, but time of rising and setting of a sun is not same every day. Now here we can see that the time of rising and setting of the sun. We all know that every day the rising and setting of a sun is different. As per my observation and approximately I have done, first in a month of June, rising time, that is 5 o'clock 55 minutes morning. The date I have taken approximately 6/3/6/19. Setting time 7 o'clock 19 minutes, that is PM. Date is 1st 6/19. Now this is a month of September, that is rising time 6 o'clock 23 minutes at morning. Date is 1/9/19. Now sunset time is 6 o'clock 27 PM and the date I have taken, that is 30/9/19. Now rising time of a sun in the month of December, that is 7 o'clock 5 minutes. Date is 1st 12/19. Setting time, that is a sunset, which is a time 5 o'clock 52 minutes PM and the date is 1st December. Now when did the sun rise the earliest? From this we can see the earliest is 5 o'clock 55 minutes and the date is 3rd June, that is of year 2009. Now note the time of sunset and rise. Now the time when sun sets at the latest. Now here, as per my observation, the time of rising and setting of a sun we have done. Now it is a time of setting and rising of a sun. First is setting time, that is 7 o'clock 27. Always it is PM because it is a setting time. The date I have taken is 29/6/2020. Rising time of the sun, that is 5 o'clock 58 minutes. Date is 30/6/2020. Second setting time, that is 6 o'clock 57 minutes, that is PM and date 1st 9, that is September 2020. And the rising time of the sun is 6 o'clock 24 minutes. Yes, of course, rising time, so it is at morning and date is 2nd September 2020. Third is I have taken the month of December. Setting time 6 o'clock 3 minutes. Date is 4/12/2020 and rising time, that is 7 o'clock 20 minutes. Date I have taken, that is 16/12/2020. And when did the sun set at the latest? We can see here sunset latest is 7 o'clock 27 and date, that is 29/6/2020. Like sun, we cannot see moon every night. Moon is sometimes small or big or sometimes it invisible. Now from the previously on the basis of my observation 1, 2 and 3, the time of moon rises at night was noted. Now as per my observation, the time of moon rises and its differences, table 1, that is as per 24-hour clock, now 21:47, that is difference of table 1. Table 2 is 17:36 and the difference is 4 minutes 11 seconds. Difference of table 3 26:14 and 5 difference is 8 minutes 38 seconds. Second is 21 minutes 3 seconds, and 20, 33. Table number 3, that is 26, 50, and the difference is 30 seconds, then 6 minutes 17, 5 minutes 47. Third is the time is 22, 18, 21, 32, 24, 31 as per 24-hour clock, and the difference is 1 minute 59 seconds, then difference is 8 minute 20 seconds. Now this is as per my observation. Now observation, we can say that observation, the difference of table 1 and 2, the difference interval in the rising time of moon in June and September is from 30 minutes and 6 hours. Observation, the difference of table 2 and 3, the difference of time interval in the rising of time of moon in September and December is from 1 hour to 8 hours. Observing the difference of table 3 and 1, the difference time in the rising of the moon is December and June is from 2 hours to 6 hours. Observing table 1, 2 and 3, we see that the time of rising of the moon in the month of June, September and December are: in the month of June, moon rises between 9 o'clock in the night to 10 o'clock in the night. In the month of September, of the moon rises between 8 o'clock in the night till 9 o'clock in the night, and in the month of December, the moon rises approximately after 12 o'clock in the midnight. Now according to the day, night, and according to the seasons, our food also varies. Let us see the observation from table 1, 2 and 3. First is name of vegetables which is noted in a tables. First we have observed that sweet potato, onion, brinjal, cucumber, bottle gourd. Now second table we have, as per my observation, lady's finger, black eye bean, round gourd, then brinjal, potato. This all are seen in observation 2. Now 3, carrot, cabbage, peas, onion, cauliflower in observation 3. Now second is name of vegetable in common. In all the 3, common is bottle gourd, potato, brinjal. Same second and third we can see bottle gourd, potato and brinjal. Third, name of vegetable different from each other. We can see from table 1, 2 and 3 observation, all the 3 have different: pointed gourd, sweet potato, cucumber, elephant food. And in second, that is second observation, spiny gourd, black eye bean, bitter gourd. Third is carrot, cabbage, cauliflower and peas. All these 3 observation have various vegetables. Now in today's modern times, due to usage of cold storage, scientific agriculture and improved seeds, most of vegetables are available throughout the year. Due to this, it is not possible to differentiate on the basis of the seasons, that is summer, winter and monsoon. Let us discuss about winter. Winter in India starts from the month of November to February. Till November to February, the season is of winter. People wear thin and warm clothes in this season. The weather is very cold in these months, therefore people sit near fire to warm themselves. Also, they use very thick blankets at the night. Green leafy vegetables are available in plenty in this season. As I told you, nowadays the improvement of agriculture and seeds, now we cannot identify or we cannot differentiate, but in winter season all the vegetables as per vegetable, green leafy vegetables we can see mostly. People get up early in the winter and go for jogging and running. In this season, days are small and nights are long. Farmers sow rabi crops in this season. Now, this we have discussed about winter season. Now, about summer season. Summer in India starts from in the month of March to June. The atmosphere is hot in summer. People uses fan and air conditioners, that is AC, for keeping themselves cool. Some people sit under trees to get relief. Summer is the season of mangoes. People wear thin cotton clothes in summer season. Especially children and adults eat ice creams, drink different syrups. All this we can see in the summer season. In summer season, people go for holidays as they have vacations. So this is a summer season. Now the third and most favorite season of everyone is monsoon season. Monsoon in India starts from the month of July to October. In this season, there is greenery all around. People wear raincoat, caps, etc. Some people uses umbrella to protect themselves from rain. Farmers start farming from the day of Asadi Bij. Children play in the rainwater and make paper boats. The sky is covered with black clouds. At times, lightning and thundering can be seen. Monsoon is a season of festivals, celebrations and fairs. Children sing rain songs in the season, and rainbow is our favorite. It is also seen in the monsoon season. We have discussed all the three seasons, that is winter, summer and monsoon. Now today, due to different types of effects of pollution, environment is harmed. Because of this, apart from monsoon, rain falls in other seasons also. Now, how disease increased during the rainy season? The change in atmosphere affects the human body. When any of the three, either summer, winter or rainy season start, the atmospheric condition changes. Now we can see, due to the environment, we can see in the changing in the seasons. In monsoon, the amount of moisture is the atmosphere increases, and hence diseases also increases. Diseases like typhoid, malaria, etc. spread easily in this season due to the atmospheric conditions. Water is filled everywhere, due to which even mosquitoes become a major problem in this season. Now you can see most of people suffer from the diseases in the monsoon season, because everywhere we can see water, and due to that mosquitoes comes and sits everywhere, and due to this we suffer from diseases. Now we talked about day, night and seasons. Now according to day, on 21st June, the day is longest and the night is shortest. In the month of June, particular date, that is 21st, the day is longest and night is short. As we have 24 hours, but still we feel that the day is long and a night is short. On 22nd December has the year's shortest day and a shortest day and a longest night day. So third is 20th March and 23rd September have equal days and night. This two, that is 20th March and 23rd September, we feel that the days and nights are equal. Now how do season change, or reason for a day and a night being long or short? Here the earth is not straight, as we all know, and on its axis of rotation, instead it's a tilt. Due to this, different parts of earth gets different length of sunlight. Hence, whichever hemisphere of earth is tilted towards the sun has a longer day and shorter nights. The hemisphere that is away from the sun has a shorter days and longer nights. These parts experience winter. This way, due to rotation of earth, days and nights are short and long. And if we say about playing games in a different seasons, so we will play different games in a winter, that is 100-meter race, 200-meter race, kabaddi, kho-kho, all these games we play in a winter. Summer we usually don't go outside, so musical chair, hide and seek, carom, chess, this all we play in a summer season. Monsoon, mostly indoor games are played. Carom board, chess, snake and ladders, ludo, passing the parcel, etc. All this we play in the monsoon season. So according to the seasons, we can see how children play the games. Now, how days and nights occur on the earth. Earth is round and half of it gets sunlight at one time. The other half part is in the direction opposite to the sun. There is a day on the hemisphere which gets sunlight and a night on the hemisphere which does not get sunlight. Earth rotates on its own axis, due to which different parts come time and again front of the sun. Due to the rotation of the earth, the part which is in the front of sun at any particular time goes away from the sun, and the part in the opposite direction moves towards the sun, and hence we experience days and nights. So here lesson number 10, that is day and night and seasons, we have discussed. Hope you are clear with it.